Hello, I'm Hollis from Hollis's IC Lab, and in today's video I'm doing a review, an unboxing, and then my next video will be a review of the Run camera. So, in the box, so first off you get the camera right here, in this foam protector, which I'll keep it in right now as I take out this other box. Now, and this will be like the plugs and stuff, and then straps so you can hold it on to the drone or whatever you're having it on, and then like a mount for it too, to mount it, and then a plug so you can plug it in for power from. Okay, and then in here, so there should be okay, here's the battery. So the battery's right here, so that's this little strap so you can pull, and then the micro SD card also mounts right in there, which I have one right here. So I have this micro SD card. Let me just open it quickly. It's just a 64 gigabyte one. And I'm just supposed to get this camera, so let me just get it out. So then that'll just slide in right here. I think that's right. Yep. And then, not sure if this is charged. Just see. No, so. Well, that was the unboxing of this Run cam. We'll be posting a review in a little bit, so look forward to that. And that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.